Hello friends and welcome to today's video. Okay, in this video I am going to teach you how to create a guess the place game. Okay, so now you are going to guess the places. Okay, so for that or guess the backdrops. Okay, each backdrop will be each place and you have to guess which is each place. Okay. So now let's take the backdrops, go to choose a backdrop and from there you can choose some of the places. So let's take first one to be a beach. Okay, I'll take this beach. Let's choose another one. Okay, which is a desert. The next one, sorry that I choose the Sprite. Let's go choose a backdrop. Just scroll down. Let's take a farm place. Again, scroll down. Let's take a jungle. Now again, let's choose this, but I don't know whether everyone will be able to understand this is a school. Let's choose this to be a underwater. Okay, so we have chosen almost 6 backdrops. Let's go to back the backdrops here and let's delete the white backdrop here, and you can see there are 5 of them. Okay, so let's see who's going to get the 5 on 5. Okay, so now let's choose a sprite to ask the questions. Okay, so I'm going to take AB. Okay, so my AB is going to ask you in which place she is. Okay, so each time when the backdrop changes, you will have to guess which place it is. Okay, so now let's start. Let's go to events. Take when flag flipped, control forever. Okay, now let's make baby ask guess where I am. Okay, guess where I am. Okay, so now go to the control, take if then else. Now where is she? She is in the beach, right? So if she is in the beach, which means she has asked you a question. If the answer is equals to beach, then what will happen? You will get, you got the right answer, right? So let's keep it at answer is equals to beach. Okay, now let's make her say correct, otherwise, otherwise it's wrong, right? Okay, so now let's write beach and you get that it's correct. Okay, so after guessing, let's make the backdrop to be changing to underwater. Okay, so now let's make her ask guess, guess where I am. Okay, so now again she's asking you to guess. So now you are in the underwater, right? So now let's give if then the answer is equal to, let's take the equal to, go to sensing, take answer is equals to the underwater. Okay, let's give it to be correct and wrong. Okay, correct and wrong. If your answer is correct, again it should be switching the backdrop, right? Let's switch the backdrop to a desert and let's make AB ask us a question like guess where I am. Okay, so now let's go to control, take if then else operators equal to. I hope now you understood how this works. Answer is equals to desert. Okay. Now let's switch the, let's say it's the correct answer. Correct answer. Switch the backdrop to the next place called as the jungle. Okay. Otherwise it's wrong. And this goes on like that, right? Okay, so now let's see. Guess where I am. I'm going to write beach. And you can see it has changed. Now let's write this to be the underwater. It says correct. Now the next one. Let's see. It's the desert. And now the jungle, right? But in the jungle, we haven't given anything. That's why it told us the wrong. Okay. So now let's give that also. If then else. Okay. Now let's give ask yes where I am. Okay. So now let's go to operators. Take equal to sensing the answer is equals to jungle. Say correct and you won. Okay. Otherwise it is the wrong answer. Okay. So now let's see it works. Now let's write jungle and still it says wrong because it's not switching to the first one, right? So now let's give once when you start the game, it should be switching to the beach. Okay. Now let's see it's going back. Now let's create a variable for the score. Let's go to make a variable and keep score. And once when you start the game, let the score be 0. Each time you get the correct answer, your score becomes 1. Okay. Each time the answer is correct, score by 1. Let's change it to be score. Okay. Now after the jungle, I have to stop all here. Okay. So now the game is over. So now let's see whether it works properly. Let's give beach. Correct. I got one score. Where I am in the underwater. Correct. I got score 2. Now let me type the desert and I got the score 3. Now where I am in the jungle. Correct. You won. And the game is over. Okay. So I hope you like this video. If you have liked this video, please do like my video, subscribe to my channel and please do share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to give the feedback about this video in the comment box. Okay, see you in the next video with some other interesting games. Bye.